Hello, welcome to my class. You might have faced several problems from the chapter time and work when you write competitive exams, right? Let's see how to solve these problems in a very easy way. Okay, and we are not following the conventional method. We are just using the easy method to find these. By looking at the question itself, we will be able to get the answer. There are several type of questions that you might face from this chapter. We will do these type of questions one by one. So let us solve it. A can do a piece of work in 8 days and B can do it in 5 days. How many days will A and B together take to finish the work? So A will take 8 days and B will take 5 days. In the conventional way, what will we do? In one day A will finish 1 by 8 of the work. In one day B will finish 1 by 5 of the work. Now A and B will together do 1 by 8 plus 1 by 5 of the work in one day, which is equal to 5 plus 8 by 40, and that is equal to 13 by 40, and number of days is just the reverse of this, which is 40 by 13, and that is equal to 3 1 by 3. So what we are doing, we are taking the LCM and adding this and just reversing this. So instead of doing that, we can take the LCM first, LCM of these numbers, that is number of days. LCM by number of days A take plus LCM by number of days B takes. So this is the formula. LCM whole divided by LCM by number of days A take plus LCM by number of days B take. So here we can do it like LCM is 8 into 5, which is 40 by 40 by 8, which is 5, and 40 by 5, which is 8, and that is 40 by 13, which is equal to 3 1 by 3. So we got 3 1 by 3 days. Okay. Next one, A can do a piece of work in 16 days and B in 8 days. B can do the same work in 8 days. How many days will they both together take? So take LCM. What is LCM of 8 and 16? It is 16 by LCM by the days taken by A, that is 16 by 16 plus LCM by days taken by B, that is 16 by 8, which is equal to 16 by 1 plus 2, and that is equal to 16 by 3, which is equal to 5 1 by 3. So they will take 5 1 by 3 days if they do it together. Okay. Next one, A can finish a work in 18 days, B can finish it in half the time taken by A. Working together, what part of the work can they finish in a day? So, A can finish in 18 days and B can finish it in half the time taken by A, that is in 9 days. Now, we have to find what part of the work can they finish in a day. So, it is just the opposite that we have done in the previous question. So we have to take LCM by time taken by A plus LCM by time taken by B by LCM. That is, it is just the reverse of what we did in the previous question. So this is equal to LCM. What is LCM of 9 and 18? It is obviously 18. So 18 by 18 plus 18 by 9 by 18, which is equal to 1 plus 2 by 18, and that is equal to 3 by 18, which is equal to 1 by 6. So what part of the work can they finish in a day? 1 by 6 of the work they can finish in a day. And from this we can understand that they will take 6 days to finish the work if they work together. Okay. Next one, a tire has 2 punctures. First puncture alone would have made the tire flat in 9 minutes and the second alone would have done it in 6 minutes. If air leaks out at a constant rate, how long does it take both the punctures together to make it flat? So LCM by time of A plus LCM by time of B. We can write it as time of A and time of B. So what is LCM? 9 and 6. LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. 9 into 2 is 18 and 6 into 3 is 18. So 18 by 9 plus 18 by 6, which is equal to 18 by 2 plus 3, and that is equal to 18 by 5. And what is 18 by 5? 3 by 5 minutes. So 3 by 5 minutes is the answer. Next one, A can knit a pair of socks in 3 days. B can knit the same pair in 9 days. If they are knitting together, how many days will they take to knit 2 pairs? Okay, so one pair A will knit in 3 days. So 2 pairs A will knit in 6 days. And B will knit in 9 days. One pair in 9 days. So B will knit 2 pairs in 18 days. And what is the LCM of 6 and 18? It is 18. So it is LCM by 18 by 6. That is LCM by number of days taken by A plus LCM by number of days taken by B, which is equal to 18 by 3 plus 1. That is equal to 18 by 4, which is equal to 4 4s are 16, 2 remainder by 4, which is equal to 4 1 by 2. So they will take 4 1 by 2 days if they knit together. That is, they can knit 2 pairs of socks in 4 1 by 2 days if they do it together. Okay. Next one, A can complete a work in 6 days while B can complete the same work in 12 days. If they work together and complete it, portion of work done by A is. So, A can complete work in 6 days, B in 12 days. So, A plus B will complete it in, what is the LCM? It is 12. LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. 12 by 6, 2. And 12 by 12 is 1. So 12 by 3, which is equal to 4 days. So A plus B will complete the work in 4 days. And given that A will complete the work in 6 days. A will complete the work in 6 days. And in one day A will do 1 by 6 of the work. A will complete 1 by 6 of the work in one day. And A plus B will complete 1 by 4 of the work in one day. So, what is the portion of work done by A? That is work done by A in one day by work done by A plus B in one day, which is equal to 1 by 6 into, that is 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 4 is, take the reciprocal, which is 4. So 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. So portion of work done by A is 2 by 3. Okay. Next one, A can do a piece of work in 8 days and B can do the same work in 12 days. A and B together complete the same piece of work and get 200 rupees as the combined wages. B's share of the wages will be. So here we can do A plus B's work. What is A plus B's work? And we can find portion of B's work. Like what we did for the previous question. So A plus B will take how many days? LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. 24 by 8 is 3 and 24 by 12 is 2. So 24 by 5 days. That is, in one day it will complete 5 by 24 of the work. That is, A plus B together will complete 5 by 24 of the work. And given that B will take 12 days. So B will do 1 by 12 of the work in one day. So B's portion of work is 1 by 12 by 5 by 24, which is equal to 1 by 12 into 24 by 5, and that is equal to 2 by 5. B's portion of the work is 2 by 5. So just multiply 200 by 2 by 5. That is, B will get 2 by, that is, B is doing 2 by 5 of the work for this 200 rupees. So B will get 200 into 2 by 5, which is equal to, this is 40. So 80 rupees. So he will get 80 rupees from 200 rupees. Okay.